The stage was set, the lights were on, and the talent was overflowing. SM Little Stars 2025 just wrapped up its regional finals at SM City, Pampanga, and the crowd was treated to a showcase of young stars ready to take on the national spotlight.
SM Little Stars, we've come from near and far. SM Little Stars.
In the dancing category, Chris Alexander Sebastian of SM City, Bataan wowed the judges with his killer moves.
This is ugly, but alam mo naman, dami like it. Then again, it's a mice. Kahit na ano pa yung kambay.
For singing, Darcelyn Suyat of SM City Talabastagan hit every note with confidence and heart.
Long ago, never to walk in anyone's shadows. If I fell, if I succeed.
Meanwhile, in the other talent category, Zane Takayanagi of SM City Clark amazed the audience with his unique player. These three shining stars are now heading to the grand finals on August 9 at the Music Hall SM Mall of Asia, ready to battle it out for over 15 million worth of awesome prizes. That includes scholarship from National University, 750,000 pesos in cash and GCs, a brand new Suzuki Espresso, and a trip for two to Hong Kong. Started last June 14, auditions rolled across participating SM malls, giving kids a chance to level up their talent and confidence. From Pampanga to the national stage, our Cabalen kids are truly born to shine. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.